Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we draw Bruno Mars. So let's get started. To draw cute Bruno, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. Then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. There. So in my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shaded in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now I have the eyes in. I'm going to come above the eyes and draw a curve just to anchor the eyes right over it. Since we don't put lashes, I'm just going to draw this curve right over the eye. And then at the bottom, we're going to draw another curve, but a much lighter, right underneath. And same thing over here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw the brow. So I'm going to come up about right here. And we're just going to draw a soft angle, come down, and thicken it up. And same thing on the other side. And then from there, let's draw his mouth. So I'm going to come right here and we're just going to draw a soft curve for his mouth right in the center, about right here. Just draw a little curve right here. And then with Bruno, we need to draw his like goatee mustache thing, right? So I'm going to come to the center, come to the side of that center, and we're going to start about right here and here. Just get a little gap in the center, and I'm going to try my best to lightly draw this little, using little lines right here to make it look like his goatee. And then at the bottom right here, I'm just going to lightly draw another curve underneath. And then it's just so hard when they have mustaches and stuff like that. But hopefully that looks okay. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and frame his face. So let's come to the sides right here. So let's say where the eyes are, I'm going to come out right next to it and give myself a point. And same thing here. And we're going to draw a line coming down on both sides. And then let's go ahead and start to angle it in. So I'm going to come towards the center. About right here, and kind of flatten it out a little bit to give him a chin. And connect back. There. And then at the bottom as well, right towards the bottom, just darken that area. And I think he even has like a little bit here too, right? So I'm just going to darken this area a little bit. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and bring this up to where his brow is. And then we need to draw his headband. So it's a little bit higher past his brow. Then let's come about, okay, you know what? Let's go this way. Let's go ahead and we're going to draw this curve going up to about right here. And then in this spot right here, I'm just going to draw this kind of wobbly circle for the knot of his headband and then bring down a curve right about here. And I'm just going to add like a little line in here so we know it's kind of like a knot and tied up. And then about here, we're gonna come around, thicken it up and come down. And we're just gonna come out to a little bit and then straighten it up. So same thing on this side. Gonna come down and then straighten it out right about here. And then we're going to put in the little tail for our knot. You know what? Let's put a little line right here. Just makes it look more like a cloth, right? Okay, so now that we have that, I promise it's going to come together. It just looks so weird right now, right? So then right about here, this is where the headband ties up his hair a little bit, right? Brings it in a little bit. So we're going to come out and pop out a little bit of his hair right here, but not too much. And then we're just going to kind of taper it in and wobble, because right about here, we need to still kind of little indication of his ear. So you don't want to bring it too low or that wouldn't make sense. So right here, just pop out a little bit of his hair and then wobble it in and show part of his ear. Then at the bottom right here, just kind of wobble some hair at the bottom. There. Okay, so then from there, let's come out right here and we're going to need to poof it out. This is kind of, his hair is kind of being bunched in with the headband. So then let's go ahead and about right here, we're going to start to just draw small circles, curves, but we just want this nice round poof at the top. So let's say about this high. And connect. There. Okay, and then in here you can, if you like, put in some texture. You can also do this when you're coloring. And then hopefully that's, oh, and then of course, because this kind of looks weird, I just need to break this part up so that we show some of his forehead. So just kind of come about right here, imagining his forehead. So let's say about right here. Just see a little part of it and then come down. And then right about here, you can just put in some lines so we know that that's hair. Okay. Thicken his brows a little bit. And that is pretty much it for his head. So now let's draw his body. So let's come right about here. We're going to give him a neck and here. And then let's bring this out. Coming down nice and wide, kind of like the width of his head. About right here. And then in this area, I'm going to just bring it in. Do his jacket. Okay, so now before I finish all of that, let's come back in here for some details. We need to come right about here and we're going to draw a very deep curve coming towards the center. So let's say about this much. And same thing here. Nice deep curve. And then we need to draw a collar. So let's come out about right here and connect it and then bring this out. If you like, you can pop it out a little bit. And same thing here. There. And then his, then we need to come about right here and start his jacket. So here and here. Just open it up a little bit. And then we need to draw the collar of his jacket. So about right here. Just going to draw a curve and same thing here. There. Okay, so then let's keep going and I'm going to bring this down. See how far. And maybe about right here, I'm going to cut it off, kind of like where his vest ends, so that we know where to start his pants. So I'm going to bring this down, a line, and then bring this down a tiny bit more. And then we can continue this part, flare it out just a tiny bit and a little bit shorter and connect. So same thing here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we know about right here, come down to the center, about right here, I'm just going to draw this angle line. Detail for his pants, and we're going to start with these two angles to draw his pants. So then come back right about here and here. Okay, so let's work on this leg. Just going to bring it out. Let's see, not too long. Let's say about right here. Stop, and then we're going to connect everything, but not too taper. So about this width, and then connect for his pants. And then same thing over here. There. Okay, and then we need his shoes. So come right about here, little line, and then we're going to come out and connect. So same thing here. There. Okay, now to draw his sleeves. So we're just going to put it to his side. Just round this part off a little bit. Then we're going to bring it down to about, let's say about right here. And bring it in. And then we need to draw a little cuff for his shirt inside. And then his hands. Just a thumb part. And then his fingers. There. And so same thing on the other side. Round it off. Connect, and then the little cuff. And his hands. There. And some more details I almost forgot is come right back here. Two more lines so that we can, that's where his vest is. And some buttons. So 4 buttons on this side. And then the lines. And then on his vest, we're just going to put 3 buttons. And then, of course, he has a bunch of these necklaces and stuff like that, but we're just going to put 1. And of course, I'm going to make it a heart right here that my Bruno Mars is wearing. Fix the heart a little bit later. I've messed it up a little bit, but and then when you're coloring, there's some little like leaf details right here, but just do that when you're coloring with like a darker green. And hopefully I've done justice to Bruno Mars here, and it kind of looks like him. But I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.